Alright, today's video we're going to be unboxing the Raze Energy care package. Let's take you right into it. Raze Energy drawstring bag, the t-shirt, some sample packs. Let's see what we got here. Top secret flavor energy pack. 3 of these bad boys. A performance sleep aid. Sour gummy. Broken arrow. Pre-workout. Spiked punch. Got zero sugar voodoo. Hydrating electrolytes. Some cans. Top secret flavor, zero sugar. 0 calories. Next up, we got a cooler with some drink holders on the side, some pockets, plenty of room in the inside. Got some more cans. 0 calories, 0 carbs, 0 artificial dyes as always. This helps with focus, BCAAs, energy, electrolytes, and hydration. Got another flavor. Let's see. Baja Lime. Galaxy Burst. And sour gummy worms. Next up, we got some more sample packs. Another voodoo flavor. Hyper Sleep, another Hyper Sleep, Apollo, Raze Energy, Hydrating Electrolytes, Broken Arrow, Pre-workout, Lime Ice. That sounds pretty good. They got a big variety of flavors, I'm sure, all very good. Guava melon. We got a koozie. Nice little bracelet. Performance driven results. Rep Sports. Another drawstring bag. We got some dope stickers here. Might have to toss on the truck. Let's see. Whoops. Alright, we're gonna open the first one of these up. They came pretty warm, obviously not refrigerated, but I'm gonna open her up, put her in some ice, and try it out. Wow, that was pretty good. 10 out of 10. Go check them out at repsports.com.